Hello, in this video we're going to be creating ISO number 16 using Autodesk Inventor. To do this we'll start with our base unit, this base rectangle here, then we'll build up another rectangle and then we'll start adding some features to it. So first we'll go to Inventor, we'll start 2D sketch on our part and I'm going to go on the XY plane. I'm going to start with a rectangle and we'll make it the height of 1 and then the length in this case is going to end up being 8 it looks like. We have 6 so 8 total. So we'll go back to Inventor, we'll select the rectangle tool, start from the origin and make it 8 long, tab 1 tall, enter. Then we'll finish sketch and we'll extrude it. Extrude a distance of 5 back, so extrude 5 and enter. That gives us our base structure. Then next we'll build up this rectangle here in the middle that goes up. So to do that we'll sketch a rectangle and extrude it up a distance. If we count up it's going to be a distance of 8 up. So we'll start 2D sketch. We'll put it on the top here. I'm going to rotate it around so it kind of matches the view we're seeing on our image. I'm going to just put it on the line for now. I'm going to dimension it later on. And I want it to be 4 long by 2 thick. And enter. Then to dimension it from the side, I'm going to click the side, click my green line, go up, and type in A2. And that's fully dimensions my shape. Then we're going to finish sketch and extrude it up a distance of 8. So this time we'll change it to 8 and hit enter. Now we're going to use the fillet tool to start rounding our edges. If we look back, most of my edges have a round of 2. So if we look, most of them are going to be 2, except for these 2 edges here that appear to be just 1.5. Everything else looks to be a 2, a 2, a 2, and a 2. So we'll do 2s around everywhere else. So I'm going to click on just one of my top edges and change my radius to 2. Do the same thing on my other top edge. On my lower edges, I'm also going to do 2. If I accidentally hit the wrong one, so we're going to go back through and hit them again. So top, I'm going to get this back one and the new one. And then I'm going to hit OK for all of those. Then I need to do my front 2 edges as well, and those appear to be 1.5 in this case, so 1.5. Same thing on this new edge, 1.5. Hit OK, and that applies. Then I need to add some holes to it. So I'm going to start on my base, and I'm going to make those concentric. So I'm going to click on the base, click on the edge I want to be concentric to, and then set my size. In this case, it's going to have a diameter of 1. I'm going to apply that one, and then do the same thing on the near side. So I'm going to click my base, it's concentric, so I click the side and have a diameter of 1 and hit OK. So that gives me my 2 holes here on the bottom. Lastly, I need my hole on the top. So I need to go up here on the top. Again, I can do concentric. I can click on the top and click on the edge. And this time it's going to have a diameter of 2. So I'm going to change that diameter to 2 and hit OK. That gives me the hole I need up on top. Should have extruded out first, so I don't need this hole, so I'm actually going to undo that hole we just made, and we're going to add it in after we do our extrusion. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch, and I'm going to hit front just to center my object, and then I need a circle. And I want to put my circle in the middle here, concentric to the shape I have. If I can't get that middle location, say I don't go from the edge and I can't get that middle location, I can just click. I make my diameter of 4 and hit enter. And then to put it in the proper location, I can just use this concentric tool up here on the top, the concentric constraint. Click that, I click my circle, click the outer edge, and it puts it in line. Then I can finish my sketch, and I can extrude it out a distance of just 2 in this case. The last thing we have left, if we look back at our picture, is that hole I tried to make earlier. We'll do it the same way we did it earlier. We'll click hole, we'll do concentric, we're going to click on the front face, and then we're going to click on the circle there. It's already set as a radius of 2, so we're going to hit OK, and that gives us the hole we were looking for. So hopefully this helps in your creation of object number 16 for your isometric images. Thank you and good luck.